Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Tutor, and what I do here is solve technical drawing problems and also provide very important information that you can make use of for you to have a better performance in your technical drawing examination. And if you're a technical drawing student, I want to ask you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, put on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified, and help me to share my videos with your friends who are technical drawing students. And as I usually say, it is important you practice this subject because this is a practical subject. You need to practice it. If you don't practice it, you cannot be good at it. So you want to be good at it, you need to practice it. Right now I'm going to show you how you can solve this WAEC problem. This is one of the questions that the students, the candidates for 2022 did, and I want to show you how you can solve it or how it should be solved. Okay, this question has to do with link mechanism, which I believe you know if you are familiar with that topic. And I'm going to read the instruction for us to know what we are to do with this particular diagram. As you have here, that figure 1 shows the diagram of a link mechanism. The crank FG rotates about F, and the link GH slides up and down in the slot H. In the slot H, P is the midpoint of GH. Okay, so then we have the questions here that we are to answer. So this says that question A says that redraw full size the given diagram, and question B says that plot the locus of P for one complete revolution of FG. Okay, looking at a diagram that as we have here, this is the fixed point F, and then so we have that there is a point here, and distance from here to here is 60 millimeters. This thing is what is rotating like this, is rotating clockwise, in the clockwise direction, based on this arrow that it's going this direction. That is the clockwise direction. And then so we have the distance of this point H from G to be 90 millimeters, and the distance of point H from the center here, from center F here, is 60 millimeters as we have here, and distance of this point from this point is 30 millimeters. That means distance of this point from the center here is 30 millimeters. So as this thing is rotating, as it is rotating in this direction, so we have this line or the connecting rod, so it is going in this direction, as you can see on this arrow. So we are going to redraw a diagram, and then we are going to look for the locus of point P, and this is how it should be done. Okay, so the first thing to do is to draw a vertical center line, as I'm going to do it here. So draw a vertical center line. Okay, so having done this, so the next thing to do is that we draw horizontal center line, like this. So, and I'm going to draw a circle of radius 60 millimeters. Radius is 60 millimeters, as you can see in the diagram. So 60 millimeters is the radius. Okay, so then we draw a circle. So put at the center here and draw a circle like this. So the circle is big. Okay, so we have the circle, and we need to extend this line a bit. Then we are going to divide the circle into 12 equal parts. We are dividing the circle into 12 equal parts, and we need to extend this line a bit. Okay, so the vertical center line. All right, so this is okay. So the next thing that we are going to do is to divide the circle into 12 equal parts. So this is it. So I'm dividing it with the use of my set square, and Okay. Alright, so the last one is this. Okay, the circle has been divided into 12 equal parts, as you can see. The next thing that we are going to do is to number the points on the circle, and then very important, so this point that we have here, so where is this point on the circle? The point is what? The point is here. So, and that is the starting point G. So this is 1. I will call it 1. I call it point 1, and that is where I have G. So I'll put G there. So followed by this. So this is 2. So this is 3. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we have these 12 points on the circle. And then, so don't forget that the center is F. So I will put F at the center. And then, so next thing that we are going to do is to get what from the center here. From center here, we need to locate point H. We need to locate point H, which is 30 millimeters away from this line here. So that is from this center line. So I'm going to take a measurement of 30 millimeters. So from the center here, I will take 30 millimeters. From this center here, I will take 30 millimeters. So this is 30. So and I will draw this line. It's in continuous line like this. Okay. Alright, so there is it. So the next thing I'm going to do, from the center, I will take 60 millimeters down from the center. So from the center here, 60 millimeters from the center. Okay. So this is 60 millimeters. This is 60 millimeters from the center. So it's already from here to here. It is the radius of the circle, 60 millimeters. So I'll just, so this point, so I have point H here. So this is H. So then, so I'm going to take a measurement of 90. So as we have that, distance from here to here is 90 millimeters. From here to here is 90 millimeters. So let me take this measurement. Okay, so it's already 90. So I don't have to take it. So it's already 90 millimeters. So it's 90 millimeters from here to here. So if you take the measurement, if you have done it the way I did it here, you will see that it is 90. So I don't have to use compass for that. So what I need to do here is to draw the connecting rod. So, and that is going to be drawn with a thick continuous line. So this is the connector, okay? And then, so we have that. So point P. So point P, if you look at this point P very well, you can see that the dimension or the distance of P from G, or distance from P from H, is not mentioned. But looking at the distance from here to here, you can see that the distance from P to H and distance from P to G is equal, or they are equal. So that means we have this point P in the middle of this 90. So that means P from G or from H is 45 millimeters. So I will just take a measurement of 45 millimeters from here to here. So this is point P. So I just put, so I dot that point. So this is point P. So I need to locate other points. So for me to get other points, I need to make use of my my compass. So I will take 90 millimeters with my compass like this. 90 millimeters. So I will put it at point 2 now. So here at point 2, so I'll make an arc here like this. So this is the second point. So this is the second point. So I'll join this together with point 2 like this. Okay, then I will take a measurement of 45 millimeters from point 2. So this is the second point here. Okay, so this is the second point. So just let me, so that's the second point. So I will I want to make it more feasible. So this is it. So the next is, so with that same 90, I don't have to alter it. So that same 90, so I will, so with the same 90 millimeters, I'll put a 3 here and make an arc on this line. On this line, so that's the next point. So here I'm going to draw a line from 3 to this point, like this. So then I will take a measurement of 45 millimeters from 3 down. So this is the point. So take note of that point. So the next is, so with the same 90, so I'll put it at 4 and make an arc here. So I'm going to draw this line. So I'll draw this line. So from here to here. So, and I will take 45 from 4. Take 45 from 4 to this point. So this is the point. Okay, so next is, so I'll take that same 90, so from here, so from 5. So this is it. So I will draw a line from 5 to this point. So take a measurement of 45 millimeters from here. Okay, so as you can see, so I'm going to put it at 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So let me do that behind the scene, and when I'm done with the location of the point, I will come back and show you the next thing to do. Alright, so I've located all the points. As you can see, don't worry, this is simple. It is simple. So all you need to do is to make sure you saw the way I was able to get the points on around this place from here down to this point here. So other ones you have to be watchful, but don't forget that you are making the arcs on this line, so whose distance is 30 millimeters from the center of the circle. So you are making it, so it may be somehow like this one now. So 8 and 9, they are around here. So they are around here. So 8 and 9, they are the same point around here. So you are correct. So don't think you are wrong, that the point is not falling around there. Just because the dimension that we are given is 90 millimeters. As long as you are making use of that 90 millimeters, you are correct. So you don't have to worry about the point. So what we need to do now is to join the point together. So the points are here. I believe you can see them here. So what I need to do, I need to join them. So I want to start joining them together. So this goes with this, like this. Okay, so I need to, okay, so this goes like this together with this, and okay, so this point, so you just need to know how to adjust your French curve. Okay, so all right, so all right. Okay, that connects. Okay, so we are almost done. Almost done. So we'll connect this together. I'm coming around here. Okay, so this is what the shape will look like. So as simple as I've done it here, all you need to do is to practice. When you practice it, you definitely master it. So thank you for watching, thank you for listening. Keep on practicing, and may God bless you.